Alrighty guys, I can't get this. I'm in the middle of doing this oil change. This is the same one I just did, the oil filter adapter housing. Remember guys, I gotta clean all this up. This look a mess. I ain't going out like this, okay? I'm going to the detail and clean this up, but for now, I gotta change the oil because I likely got some coolant in the oil. Let's see what he got. Huh? Let me see what you got. Oh, extractor.
This is just made like that.
Wow.
See that? It just goes on here.
You ain't gotta tap it on there? Oh, see, it went around. See, you got to go to the next size down.
I see what you're talking about. Okay, I got you. Now, this is the other setup. Look.
I don't know who did that. I don't know how this is possible, guys. All you do is snug them. You don't have to torque them to 100 foot-pound. Good God. I had to call my buddy from, I don't know where he's from. Ooh, I got to get rid of all this. That doesn't look good. I ain't going out like that. They get on their clean garage and see another drip, and they'll be right back. So, we're going to handle that. Let me show y'all what I got for this. Some of this from the dollar store, guys. Totally awesome. So, I could be letting this soak, I guess, while my buddy on the way. Let's see what he got up his sleeve next.
Now, this is the deep twist.
Plan B.
Watch. Oh yeah, hold this. Hold this. Deep twist, cuz.
Dude, man, how does that happen?
Hold this. Come on, quickly, bro. I ain't got time. Come on.
Whoa, man. Time is money. It's time for a chisel, Riaz.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's time for a chisel.
Okay. Alright, hold up. I got you. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I got you.
It's chisel 30, man.
Oh, it ain't no 230 yet.
I'm still tripping on how is this possible. Just snug it, guys. What are y'all doing? Okay, now back to my totally awesome from the dollar store. Well, it's like $1.25 store now. So I'm gonna spray this down. We up to plan C right now. I'm gonna see what he got up his sleeve. And, but this coming off. Got to. I did the oil filter adapter housing, and I think I got some coolant in the oil. Now the oil filter adapter hasn't come with a new filter, so I haven't started the car. So I'm finna put some fresh oil in it. All right, here we go. Let's see what he got.
All right, give me that. Who is this? Come on, dog. Where'd it go?
You gotta be under there somewhere.
All right.
You shouldn't have to do all that. It's a shame. Y'all tighten these so tight.
No, I don't know who did, bro. Hold this.
Yeah, you're not snugged on there. Yeah, he wasn't snugged all the way on there.
I got it right here. Let's just use this. You're right.
Oh, my right is a chisel.
Huh?
My right is a chisel.
Hyper inch or something.
You telling me you're an oil change guy and you haven't had this problem?
Nah, cause
Now I gotta find out if we even got a screw in stock.
yeah, I got a thing. Damn, dude.
It's chisel time.
Who put this on here?
I don't know.
Damn.
Don't make no damn sense.
Look at the flash push and tighten this up.
Alright, let me work out my chisel.
What do you mean chisel? Hold on.
Chisel, a hammer, and a chisel. Bang, 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 bang.
No, let me try one more thing. One more thing. Hold on.
Yes.
I'll be right back. No, don't do it. One more chance, please.
This guy's persistent. We're now at the plan D. A, B, C, D. Yeah, we up to D. I don't know, guys. Like I say, all it takes is a snug. I don't know why the hell y'all tighten these up so tight. Well, let's see what he got up his sleeve next. Because I got to clean all this up and deliver this car very soon. Hold tight, guys. We're now up to plan D. D stand for last chance before I break out the chisel and the hammer. Yeah, that's the only other option there. A pipe wrench, that would work if the nut was flat.
Yeah.
So you doing that hoping to get a bite.
Yeah. Exactly.
No bites, Riaz.
Damn, dude.
I know, right? You ain't never seen one like that?
Nah, they usually come on.
Dude, man, you an oil change guy.
Look, I'm making it worse, ain't I? It's got a spring in it. Hold up. Yeah.
You can't get a bite like that.
Can't.
All right,
What you got in plan?
I'm finna
All right, hold up.
go over
Smart
Eric
right
and get his sharp chisel.
Oh, you talking about air hammer?
But with a hammer, I'm gonna use a not an air hammer. I'm gonna use chisel and a hammer, but I'm gonna use my.
I see what you're saying.
So if this happened to you, how would you have got it out?
Is this plastic?
You telling me you never?
Oh, no, dude, take that thing off, man. Give me a screwdriver. Take that rubber thing off.
Take a what?
Yeah.
You need a flathead, man.
Yeah, it's coming. Give me a flathead. Look for one.
What that's gonna do? Get your hammer and bang that shit up.
Then you can grab the head of all of this.
Oh, you
whole
trying to
thing.
grab the whole thing? You can get a hammer and bang that out.
Oh, yeah, it's coming.
Oh, you need a hammer.
You got no razor?
Razor blade?
Yeah. There we go.
See, you trying to grab the whole thing. Shut up, man.
He's so funny. What y'all get?
All right, go,
Go
man.
get it, man.
Go.
Go get it. Go
All right.
get it.
I'll handle it from here.
Damn, dog. I tried.
What is guy? Who's doing the filming is what I want to know.
I'll be
Yeah.
using that.
Yeah. Big boy. Yeah. Alright guys, we up to playing A, B, C, D, E, F. We up to playing F. Alright, let's see how playing F goes. Stay tuned. Yes! Woo! I got it! I got it! Who's the skillet? I'm pretty! I'm pretty! Woo! Alright guys. Y'all see that? Who's the man? Guys, let me show y'all my kit. I've been had this all along. I got it off Amazon or somewhere. I don't know, eBay. What is this? This is mine. It's actually mine. I didn't even have to go borrow this. See, I got some stuff. I just don't know where my stuff at until I need it. That's the one I guess got it out. So I got it out with a 12 millimeter. Even though it's a 13 millimeter hex head. The 12 millimeter, because we had banged on it, the 12 millimeter made it fit. So, after finally making it up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, this is playing H. I finally got a good bite on it with this extractor. Alright guys, now I can complete this oil change. Look, that's how much oil is in it. Simply because of the oil leak. Remember, it's leaking from the oil for the adapter half. So basically all that oil, about 3 quarts, still on the bottom of the car. Alright, I'm so happy guys. Y'all root for your boy. Yeah, congratulate your boy. Got it off. I see y'all on the live stream Sunday. Make sure y'all tune in. 8 o'clock. I see y'all then, guys. Woo! Got it off. Alright, guys. So, I got the new plug screwed in. Let me show y'all, guys. All you oil change guys out there. Again, we'll never know the true story on who installed this last. But, guys, it don't take much, guys. It's got a gasket on it. Okay, all you need is a little snug. In fact, there is a torque specs. Nobody ever seemed to look it up because it's just, we've been snugging it all these years to the point where it's been fine. It don't take, you don't have to, no, just nice and snug to where it won't work its way back out, which it never do. That's snug right there. That's all it takes, guys. All right, thanks for watching.